Hey there, welcome back to Buy Smart, the channel where we compare products in the same category to help you make smarter buying decisions. Today, we have an exciting comparison for you: the SOTAONE S400 drone and the brushless motor drone with camera. Let's dive in and see which one comes out on top. When it comes to capturing breathtaking aerial shots, both drones have impressive camera capabilities. The SOTAONE S400 drone is equipped with a 1080p HD Wi-Fi camera that allows you to snap amazing moments and enjoy live video transmission from a bird's-eye perspective. On the other hand, the brushless motor drone takes it up a notch with a 4K 120 degrees manually adjustable lens and a 110 degrees wide-angle lens. This means you get a broader shooting range and stunning 4K pictures and videos. Stability is crucial for a smooth flying experience. The SOTAONE S400 drone features default altitude hold, which enables it to hover stably at a fixed height even without constant control inputs. It also has a headless mode and one-key start/land button, making it beginner-friendly. The brushless motor drone, thanks to its brushless motors, achieves higher speeds and boasts a built-in altitude hold system for stable flight. Additionally, it utilizes optical flow positioning for strong wind resistance. Nobody wants their drone to run out of power mid-flight. The SOTAONE S400 drone comes with a single battery, providing a decent flight time. However, the brushless motor drone goes the extra mile by including two 1,600 mAh batteries in the package. With a flight time of up to 40 minutes, it outshines the competition and ensures you can capture all the aerial footage you desire. Both drones offer a range of exciting features to enhance your flying experience. The SOTAONE S400 drone boasts 3D flips in 4 directions, high-speed rotation, and circle flight, making it a fun choice for kids and families. It also offers smart app control with features like voice control and VR support. On the other hand, the brushless motor drone provides multiple functions such as high-speed rotation, gesture control, headless mode, and 360 degrees flips. It even has a detailed tutorial and 24-hour customer service to assist you every step of the way. The SOTAONE S400 drone and the brushless motor drone with camera both have their unique strengths. If you're looking for a budget-friendly option with great camera quality and beginner-friendly features, the SOTAONE S400 drone might be the right choice for you. However, if you're seeking top-notch camera capabilities, longer flight time, and advanced features, the brushless motor drone takes the lead. Ultimately, it all depends on your specific requirements and budget. And there you have it, folks. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more insightful comparisons. If you have any questions or suggestions, feel free to leave them in the comments below. Until next time, stay smart and happy shopping.